Today, I will be showing you how to navigate the new Safetec.com shopping feature. Start by going to the Shop Products tab on the navigation bar. Let's take a look at First Aid and OTC products. Here, you'll see all of the products in that category. I'll select burn spray. From this screen, I can select Add to Cart. Now this product is in our virtual shopping cart. Let's take a look at some other scenarios. Navigating back to Shop Products, let's try Personal Care Products. Again, we'll see a list of products. For this, I will select Skin Lotion. Before selecting Add to Cart, let's take a look at the options. These can vary based on the product. For skin lotion, I'll select a volume and a box count. I can also select the quantity. Once all of these have been applied, once again, click Add to Cart. If you still have more shopping to do, we can go back to Shop Products. This time, we'll check out Infection Control Products. Here, I've selected Sanitizide Plus Surface Disinfectant Spray. Again, I will choose an option for volume and then click Add to Cart. Once you are done shopping, you can navigate to the cart icon. From this screen, you can see all the products that have been added to your cart. Before you proceed, this is a good time to review everything and make sure it all looks correct. If everything looks okay, then you can continue by clicking Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout screen, you will be asked to fill out information. In the billing details section, start by filling out your first name, last name, company name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. At the bottom here, you'll see the option to create an account. This is not required to make an order, but does have some benefits. With an account, you will not have to fill out this information on future orders. Below that, you'll see an option to ship to a different address. If that is required, go ahead and select that and fill out the information. In the Your Order Details section, take one last look and make sure everything is correct. Lastly, navigate to the credit card section and fill out your payment information, including your card number, expiration date, and your card security code. Once everything has been filled out, you can click Place Order. After the order has been placed, you will be brought to an order confirmation screen. From here, you can see all the details of your order. You will also receive a confirmation email. Thank you for shopping with Safetec.